Why is your footage so grainy and full of noise? Poor shooting light is the significant cause of noise and grain of your footage. How can we easily and quickly fix noisy or grainy video? Fortunately, we can fix grainy videos with AI-powered software, AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Let's see how AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI works in fixing a grainy video. Add a grainy video to AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Just choose the AI Upscaler model and select the standard option. Tick off the Denoise option. Select the output video size. Select the output video format. Click on the Start Processing button to start to fix grainy video. Just zoom out to see the details. Click this icon to get a preview of the grainy video and enhanced video side by side. Done. Let's check the grainy video fixed by AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click subscribe.